Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hi, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me in this wonderful journey of English learning. Hi there. Today we're going to study about in, on, or at prepositions of time. This is very, very interesting for us Filipinos because I think that our most common preposition is the word sa in Tagalog, right? So we say sa Lunes, sa Linggo, sa Pasko. So it's usually sa. And so we have a difficulty deciding when to use in, on, or at in the English language, right? Okay, so let's start. So when do we use at? So we use at a precise time. So here are some examples. At 7 o'clock, at 2:30 p.m., at lunchtime, at noon, at bedtime, at sunrise, at sunset, at the moment, at noon, at bedtime. So it's just like specifying yung oras or yung time, then you use at. Okay? So you used at for a time like 7 o'clock, 2:30. Usually you use at for meal times like dinner time, lunchtime, right? Breakfast and bedtime. You use it for sunrise and sunset, at sunrise, at sunset. Okay? All right. Also, we use at for expressions like at night, at the weekend, at present, at the same time, at Christmas, at Easter, at present, at that time, at dawn, dusk, at the beginning, at the end. Okay, great. Now, when do we use in? You use in for months, years, centuries, and long periods. For example, in June, in winter, in the summer, in 1968, in 1970s, in the next decade, in the 17th century, in the past, in the future, in the Ice Age. So you use in the preposition in for those words. Okay. You can also use in for some expressions like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the future, in 10 years' time, in 2 hours, in 30 seconds, in time, in a few minutes, in 2 years from now. Okay, now let's go to the next one. When do we use on? We use on for days and dates. I think on is the easiest because it's just days or dates. For example, on Monday, on July 10th. If it's a complete date, also you can say on April 2nd, 2021, or on my birthday, on Monday evening, on Christmas Eve, and so on. You can also use on for expressions like on holiday, on a winter evening, on Monday morning, on New Year's Day, on my wedding day, on that day, on the third day, on a cold day, on time. So I think the most obvious clue is when you hear the word day, it should be on. Okay, use on like holiday, Mother's Day, Christmas Day. Okay, that's on. All right. Okay, so let us practice together. Let's test if we remember those rules. Okay, number 1, can you call me Sunday? What do you think? Yes, very good. Can you call me on Sunday? Remember day? So it's always on. Number 2, it rains a lot spring. What do you think? That's right. It rains a lot in spring. Yes. Number 3, my birthday is the 14th of October. What do you think? Yep, my birthday is on the 14th of October because it's a complete date, right? Number 4, I usually get up. Yes, at 7:30 because it's specific time, right? Number 5, my mom will meet my boyfriend. Yes, in 2 weeks. Very good. Number 6, my dad comes home. Yes, at lunchtime. Excellent. Number 7, the parents arrived in New York. That's right, in 1880. Very good. Number 8, my son likes to watch TV. Yes, in the morning. Good. Number 9, my mother always reads stories. What do you think? Good. At bedtime when we were young. Very good. Number 10, I'd like to watch movies. Perfect. On Christmas Day. You see, day, right? It's on. 11, my grandfather went to war. That's right, in the 1940s. Good, very good. And finally, number 12, we finished the project at the same time. Excellent job. Yay, you finished that. Very good. So do you feel confident now in using the prepositions in, at, on of time? Whether your answer is yes or no, please comment below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you learned something new today. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you next time.
That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.